Hi guys, Steve here from Automotive Superstore. Here today we're going to be fitting an iDrive to this 2018 Audi S3. Alright, let's get into it. Alright, so first off, what we're going to do is disconnect the battery. That's what I'm doing. Disconnect the negative terminal. It's more of a precaution. Being a European car, it just saves any chances of any codes coming up on the dash. Just disconnect it, move it to the side, and then move on inside. What you're going to do is remove the side panel from the dash first. Use a plastic pry tool just so you don't mark up any panels. You can see just on the side you got like a little tab, so it gives you an indication of where to actually start. On this one we've got the T20 just up on the side here. You're going to want to remove that, and then underneath you should have two 8mm bolts, one here and then one over there. With the iDrives, they plug into your existing accelerator cable. Because it's all electronic, what you're going to do is locate it. You'll find the plug mainly on your accelerator. With the Audi, you've got this little red tab. What that is just a little locking pin. So you push it up, or unlock it, press, and you can pull it up and release it. Here we got a little T-harness for the accelerator, for the iDrive. You've got this one here that will plug into the accelerator. The plug that came off the accelerator will then go onto this side. And then you've got this cable, which will plug into the other side of the display. So what you're going to do, grab your accelerator, get the wiring from the accelerator, put it in, you hear a little click, and then lock it in. And same for the accelerator. That's it. So now that we've plugged it all up, look at all the connections are made pretty much just for the accelerator. You're just going to tidy it all up just by using cable ties, just so things don't fall, things don't move around, and just all make it like all nice and secure. So what I'm going to do, seeing that this plug plugs into the dash, because we're going to be fitting the module, the main display, around here, as where the customer wanted it, which is alright because the actual airbag for this car is down here rather than up here. So it's completely safe to do so. We'll be putting the display just under the airbag sign, which, as we explained before, which is completely fine because the airbag's underneath. So just put it there. Just double check it doesn't interfere with these tabs. So you're just going to want to line it up, make sure it's a little bit lower, otherwise the cable will get hit and interfere. So we're happy with where we're going to put it. We're going to put it there. For the double side tape, to stick a little bit more better, just want to clean the surface. Just make sure we get rid of all the oils or anything like that that customers might put on their dash. It just stops it from sticking. Alright, now that we've got it stuck, we're happy. What we're going to do now is just tidy up all the cables, get it all where we want it, and then it's just a matter of putting it all back together and plugging it all up. Once you've got the car started and you've got it on, first thing you want to do, press and hold the mode button. You will see Audi 8. Audi 8's for automatic transmission, it's an automatic car. If it's a manual, you select 00s for manual, Audi 8s for automatic. Press the mode button, and that's it. We're good to go.